Hello heathens. Welcome to today's video. We are going to clean our reusable K&N air filter to help us keep our truck running strong and sounding amazing. Let's get started. We are going to start by removing the cone filter itself. For my particular model, it's only one screw clamp that needs to be removed. I like to clean my MAF sensor anytime I clean my air filter, especially with a high-flow cotton filter like this one. After spraying, I let it sit under the sun until it dries off. I didn't realize this filter had a turbinator. If you guys don't know what this is a gimmick that promised gains from the 2000s, where the air is supposed to gain velocity because of the shape of the input. It has been proven to have the opposite effect. Now that we got that removed, we are going to soak our filter with the detergent. Make sure you apply plenty of detergent and let it sit for 15 minutes. The detergent is going to loosen up all of the dust and particles clogging the filter. Now we need to spray it from the inside out. You will see how it starts clearing up. Make sure you don't miss any spots. Let it dry. I leave it directly under the sun for an hour before the next step. Now we are going to apply the filter oil. Make sure we get even coverage and not to do it too much. If it's dripping, it's too much. You can tell by the color how even you are applying it. I do recommend letting your filter dry for 24 hours before operating. This will allow for the oils to penetrate the cotton fabric, which in turn will allow your filter for better performance, and you avoid any spraying into your MAF sensor. Now we are ready to put the filter back on and get on the road. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more video like this one. Until the next one.